Hello and welcome back to CSI Vit-Ap YouTube channel, guys. So today we gonna discuss about control structures. Control structures are the way of specifying flow of controls in programs. Control structures are nothing but sequential execution of code statements. So let me give in comments to understand it better. Control structures are sequential execution of code statements. So let us discuss the three types of control structures at the end. For now, try a problem to understand it better. So let's get started, guys. Let me give public class main method. Now let me give public static void main. Here let me give string args. Let me give integer marks is equal to 80. Let us start a do while loop. For that, let me type do let me give marks incremented here. Let me give while loop. The while condition is marks is less than 80, then let us print marks. For that, let me write system dot out dot println marks. Since we are done with the code, let us pause the video and find out the appropriate output. So it's 3, 2, 1 and go. So let's run and check out what happens. See, the output is 81 because while condition fails, by that time the increment statement was executed for one time. So the new value is 81. As informed earlier, let us discuss about the three types of control structures. Three types of control structures. Let me give. Very first is decision making. Decision making also includes if statements, switch statements, second one loop statements. Loop statements which include do while loops, for loops, for each loops. Fine. Now finally the third one is jump statements. Jump statements include break statements as well as continue statements. So I hope you all understood it, guys. So see you soon, guys. Thank you.